سلام تهاتلتنا هذه channel كمي كأنكم سلام كله بعد ملء تسفاء رحوس حدش عامة بعد الدتين لنا تمنه نعلم مع تمرتنها مقصرتا ناي تبقدماي زنبر خينو verb to be إنا بقدماي بس إحنا نرنا verb to be كمي يو انتاي قليت أنيري لو مع تخاني كمي قرنا sentence نسرح كما قلناتهم negative, positive and interrogative زبالو sentence كما قلنا أنا أو مس structure الدالية ماله. So let's get started. The first one. هذا أنت لنا positive structure for verb to be. So here positive structure for verb to be in this case it is in the present. This one simple present in the present tense. So you have to understand this one is not the past, it is in the present. So what the structure for positive structure? The structure for positive structure is subject, the verb be here, am, is, are, plus job or adjectives or adverbs, you can add adverbs, or the name of anything it could be, the animal. So we can use this one to describe a job, part of a job, or to qualify adjectives or adverbs. Sometimes we have adverb we can use, and to describe the name of animals, places, and other things. So let's take number one. Example. Haile, we can consider he. Haile is a doctor. So in this case, I have written Haile is a doctor, it is a positive. Why? Because it forms subject plus be verb is. Because Haile is singular, since Haile is singular. Since Haile is singular, I have to use what? The verb is. I have to use the verb is. That's why. Haile is. You are an accountant for. You are an accountant. This one is also what? Singular. Why singular? Because we can use you for both singular and plural, but in this case it is singular. Why? Because there is what? An article an. We use an article an to indicate if something is what? Singular. So we use a or an for singular or singular nouns only. Nouns only. That's why I used here. I'm sorry, here I have to put forward slash. No. So here you are an accountant for Sabina Hotel. This one is, you can use Sabina Hotel for other names you can mention if you want, but I have written here, for example, I have written for you, you are an accountant for Sabina Hotel. So I use this one, I use a or an for singular nouns only. So in this case, you are considered as a singular one. That's why you are an accountant for Sabrina Hotel. Out and Tedros, they are football players. So they are what? Plural. They are what? Plural. they are plural nouns. Yes, they are plural nouns. See, they are plural nouns. That's why we use are in this case. Sorry, here, and this one is since Haile is. Why? Since Haile is a singular noun. Again, as if she is a beautiful girl. Since she is what? Singular. In this case, she is a singular noun. So nouns, singular noun. That's why I have to use what? Is. She is singular noun. So it will be what? Easy. You can understand this one by using the verb to be, singular or plural. So I think it is clear. If you want to make by yourself, you can do it as much as you can. Examples. So this one is for me. I did this one. So I have to take this one. It's okay. And I am a handsome boy because I am singular. And also what? I considered a singular noun. That's all. Singular noun. Aster is a tall teacher. Aster is a tall teacher. Or you can, Aster is a tall girl. You can say it is a tall. Woman, I can write. So this one is singular. We are unique from batch 2007. We are unique from our class. You can say this one is what? This one is singular and that one plural. So this one is about positive structure. How to form the positive structure. The positive structure. Let's go to the negative structure for verb be or be verb. The form is what? Subject. Subject am, is, are plus not. Actually, I have to cancel this one. It should be, but I have to put this one not to understand clearly. To see clearly, I have to put this one. So I'm adding not here. So subject plus am, is, are plus not. This one, the object, you can use the object. This is our object. This one is our object. So you have to understand what an object is. An object. So that receives the action. An object is what? Something that receives the action. So negative. I am not a teacher. Here I'm adding not. We are not from Eritrea. So if we are not from Eritrea. There you go. We are not from Eritrea. Ali is not good at science. Ali is not good at science. Maybe he is good at mathematics, or he is good at chemistry, biology, and other subjects. Azmara is not interested in mathematics. So here, what does interested? Adjective interest math. Adjective dissimility. Adjective. Aster is not interested in mathematics. They are not absent in the meeting, which means they are present. If they are not absent, which means they are present. This one is, I'm adding not, they are not absent. So this is what? Modified or qualified for the absence. So not Yeah, absent is negative, but I'm adding negative, so it becomes what? Positive in this case. So they are not absent in the meeting. So let's go to the third one, interrogative form. The interrogative form, this one is question. This one is question, you have to understand what question is. Question. How to ask questions. This one is how to ask questions. So in this case, when you form a question, you have to remember always the helping verb must be as a beginning. I'm sorry, at the beginning of the sentence. For each sentence, you have to bring what is the helping verb or auxiliary verb. It doesn't matter which sentence you are using, you have to bring the auxiliary verb. Depends what the tense you are using. So in this case, I'm using what? Be verb, so I have to use am, are, is. So the form is am, is, are, plus subject, plus the job or the animal, the name. It could be. This one is I'm adding the name, which means, so I have to cancel it. So this one, and the last one, you have to remember the question mark. So am I Eritrean? I'm asking for myself. Yes, I am, or no, I am not. So always remember this are. If you have what? Question, you have to answer yes or no. So you have to reply yes or no for any question. Any question. ዝኾነ question ትሕተተኾንካ ክልተ መልሲ ዘለካ yes ወይ ከዓ እዎ ወይ ከዓ ኣይኮንኩን ኢኻ ትብል። ስለዚ እዚ ከየደናግረኩም ኩሉ ሻዕ ተምሃራይ ዲኻ ኣይኮንኩን እንታይ ዳ መምህር እየ ዶክተር ዲኻ yes እዎ መምህር እየ እዎ ዶክተር ክትብል ከለካ እንጥቀመሉ እዩ። ስለዚ is Aster a clever student? Yes, she is. No, she is not. Are they plumbers? Plumbers ማለት እዞም ናይ ቡንባ ዘጋጣጥሙ ማለት እዮም። Yes, they are. No, they are not. I'm sorry here. I have to put period here. No, they are not. Are you a nurse? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Is the dog dangerous? Yes, it is. No, it is. ስለምንታይ ኣብዚ it is ተጠቂመ ኣለኹ ምክንያቱ dog እዚ dog እዚ እንታይ single ስለዝኾነ you have to use what? Yes, it is. It የጥቀም instead of the dog. Is it dangerous? I can't say it. Is it dangerous, which means is the dog dangerous? Dangerous? Yes, it is. Or no, it is not. So this one is all about the structure, the forms, and the examples, how to use it. So here we have what? 15 questions. So each sentence have its own structure. I gave you, this one is positive, negative, and interrogative. So ነዘን ኣብዚኣ ዘለዋ 15 ሕቶታት ነብሲ ወከፈን ክትምልስወን ይበኩም ኣለኹ። ዝኾነ ዘይተረዳእኩም ወይ ከዓ ቄር ዝብለኩም ተሃልዩ ከዓኒ ክሓትኑ ትኽእሉ ኢኹም ኣብቲ comment section ka ክትፅሕፉ ትኽእሉ ኢኹም። ስለዚ here your answer should be in the comment section. Thank you for listening to me. This brings me to the end of this topic. So thank you. Have a nice weekend. See you next class. Bye.